5 grammar mistakes. Even educated learners are making it every single day. And if you are making even one of them, it is costing you marks in competitive examination and credibility in your conversations also. So let us correct them now. The first error, which is very commonly made, is in the use of prepositions. In the use of prepositions. So let's see where are we are making very common preposition mistakes. Here we go. So the first preposition error is, generally people say, let us discuss about the topic. People say, let us discuss about the topic. Now, the error lies in the use of the word discuss and the preposition used after it. There is no preposition used after the word discuss. Right? We don't make use of any preposition after the word discuss. So we must say, let us discuss the topic. Instead of saying, let us discuss about the topic. Or another example can be, children, today we will discuss photosynthesis. Instead of saying, today we will discuss about photosynthesis, we are not supposed to make use of the preposition about after the use of the word discuss. So we will be saying, children, today we will discuss photosynthesis. Right? The second error, which is very commonly used or which is very commonly made in the use of preposition, is this. She is good in English. We make use of the preposition in after good. This is where one is wrong. We are not supposed to make use of the preposition in after the use of the word good. We are supposed to make use of the preposition at after the use of the word good. So the correct sentence will be, she is good at English, not she is good in English. Or another example can be, he is good at playing jokes, not he is good in playing jokes. Understood? So these are the common mistakes. One very more important, or one can say extremely important preposition error which people are generally making. What is that? They say this. He is married with a doctor. They say he is married with a doctor. But here the use of the preposition with is incorrect after the use of the word married. The word married should be followed by the preposition to. So the correct sentence will be, he is married to a doctor. Right? Or she is married to an engineer. She is married to a pilot. राइट सो किसी की किसी से शादी के सिलसिले में जब बात करते हैं कि वो उससे उसकी शादी हुई है, then we make use of the preposition to, not we don't make use of the preposition with. ठीक है, समझ में आया? These are the three common preposition mistakes. First is in the use of the word discuss, where no preposition is used after the word discuss. Discuss about nahi, discuss केवल use करते हैं. Second is the use of the preposition at after the word good, not in. In का use नहीं करते हैं. And the third is the use of the preposition to after the word married, not with. These are the three common preposition errors in the use of these words. So don't make use of this. Now, let's see what is the second error. Now, the second error lies in the use of who versus whom. The second error lies in the use of who versus whom. A golden rule of grammar is that who is used as a subject of a sentence and whom is used as an object of a sentence. Now, how? Where lies the confusion? Now, if you, how will you, are you going to decide where to use whom or where to use who? कैसे decide करेंगे? So replace with he or him. Now, if he fits, use who, and if him fits, use whom. कैसे? Let's see with an example. If the sentence is, whom did you speak to? What will you say? You spoke to him. Or if the sentence is dash is calling, so which word are you going to fill? He is calling. So when we are saying he is calling, so he leads to who and him leads to whom. जैसे whom did you speak to? So answer will be you spoke to him. And dash is calling, so he is calling is the answer. So it refers to who is calling. So in that scenario, इस केस में जहां पर he आता है who के आंसर में, वहां पर, या you can say vice versa, where he leads to who and him leads to whom. Right? Now, the third error. Third error refers to in the use of subject-verb agreement. People say he don't know the answers. क्या कहते हैं लोग? People say he don't know the answers. But when the subject is in third person singular, like he, she, it, when the third person pronouns are used or singular pronouns are used, then the verb में s या es लगता है. S or es is used in the verb. So the correct answer should be he doesn't know the answer. Instead of saying he don't know the answer, it's a very common error found with most of the learners that they write he don't know the answers, but it should be he doesn't know the answer. Right? ठीक है? Or she doesn't know the prepositions. She doesn't know mathematics. Anything it can be. Right? Now, the second subject-verb agreement mistake is in the use of first conditional. The sentence, what is the error most commonly made by the learners are, they write like this. If he will come on time, he will catch the train. So what they are doing is, they are making use of future tense in both the clauses, in the if clause as well as the main clause. Whereas the rule of the first conditional says that in the if clause, simple present tense should be used and it should be followed by a simple future tense. यानी कि if में simple present tense या present indefinite का यूज करना है और दूसरे में simple future का यूज करना है. तो कैसे हो जाएगा? If he comes on time, he will catch the train. If he comes on time, he will catch the train. Or another example can be, if he listens, he will succeed. If he listens, he will succeed. Instead of saying, if he will listen to me, he will succeed. No, this is not correct. It should be, if he listens, he will succeed. So this is how we will make use of the first conditional. ठीक है? Next arise in the use of articles. This is the most challenging area. Since Hindi, Urdu, and other languages don't have articles, so our mind doesn't automatically think about them. We generally don't make use of the articles because हम local language या हम most commonly spoken languages use करते हैं. We seldom use English, and that is why we need to be very careful about the use of the articles. So here we go. The golden rule of the article says that the use of the should be made for something specific. Something is specific. Specific refers to something which is special, something which is unique. Like we have English newspapers. We have English newspapers, the Indian Express, the Hindu, the Statesman, the Washington Post. We have English newspapers, means they have a unique name. Or we have celestial objects, the Saturn, the Venus, the Earth, our own planet. Earth बहुत सारी तो नहीं है. Specific है. Specific means special है. ठीक है. So when those things which are unique, whether it is name of the historical buildings, our own the Taj Mahal, the Statue of Liberty, the Chichen Itza, so these are different historical buildings which are special. Similarly, it can be used for the communities, it can be used for the rivers, the Ganga, the Nile, the Thames, it can be used for the rivers. ठीक है. तो जो चीज स्पेसिफिक है, स्पेशल है, which cannot be replaced by any other thing, for them we make use of the article the. It is also used in the specific area in this sense also. Suppose we say she is the best student. So she is the best student means everybody knows that best student refers to something specific. We know who is the best. She is the best. So that is why we are supposed to make use of the article the before something is specific. Although जबकि इस sentence में एक और rule भी applicable होता है कि article the इस sentence के according not only it is used for the specific reason but it is also used for the superlative. The superlative degree जहाँ पर use होती है, best is the superlative degree of good, and so article the is used. Okay, understood. Now, people say, I want to become doctor. मोस्टली लोग क्या कहते हैं, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम डॉक्टर. सो वॉट दे डू इज दे मिस द यूज ऑफ आर्टिकल्स हियर. द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. ठीक है, करेक्ट सेंटेंस क्या है, आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, नॉट आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम डॉक्टर. सो इन द यूज ऑफ द आर्टिकल अ, वन शुड बी वेरी careful that article a will be used when we are mentioning about a certain post. Understood? So I want to become a doctor. So when you are describing about a post, when you are describing about एक, जहां पर एक आता है, मैं एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूं, where one it refers to some one, then you make use of the article a or an. And especially remember that do not make use of articles before uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns like milk, sugar, wheat, flour, इन सब चीजों के पीछे, या फ्लावर, आटे वाला फ्लावर, ठीक है, इनके पहले आर्टिकल का यूज मत करिए. आई ड्रैंक मिल्क, आई ड्रैंक अ मिल्क नहीं होगा. ठीक है, समझ में आया? सो इन दिस वे वी डोंट मेक यूज ऑफ articles before the uncountable noun. Please give me water. Don't say please give me a water. Understood? We are not supposed to make use of the articles, any articles, किसी भी article का use नहीं करेंगे before uncountable nouns. Understood? Now, the last rule of the day is in the use of since versus for. In the use of since versus for. Where is it used? Where is since and for used? Let's see. Despite that, people have been using it for a long time and still they make use of it incorrectly. We have to be very, very careful about the use of since and for. How? When something refers to a point of time, exact time. For example, if I say, I have been living in this house dash 1980. So exact date is given. So we will be making use of since. दो शब्द ऐसे हैं, मॉर्निंग इवनिंग, इनके साथ सिंस यूज होता है. ठीक है, मतलब टाइम पीरियड जो दिए हुए हैं, एग्जैक्ट टाइम, वो जहां पर लगता है पीरियड है लेकिन वो एग्जैक्ट टाइम को रिफर करता है, जैसे मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, आफ्टरनून, इसके साथ सिंस का यूज करते हैं. अदरवाइज व्हेन एग्जैक्ट डेट इज गिवन, then we make use of since. That is point of time. It refers to exact point of time. For example, they have been playing since morning. ठीक है, they have been playing since 10 o'clock. क्योंकि एग्जैक्ट टाइम दे दिया गया है. यही दे हैव बीन प्लेइंग अगर लिख दे 2 घंटे से खेल रहे हैं, so it will be they have been playing for 2 hours. So when it refers to a period of time, a duration, समय अंतराल की बात की जाती है, तब हम for का यूज करते हैं. और जब एक निश्चित समय दे दिया गया, कोई डेट दे दी गई, कोई दिन दे दिया गया, since Wednesday, since Thursday, since 1980, since morning, evening, तो हम सिंस का यूज कर रहे हैं. जब समय अंतराल दे दिया गया, दे हैव बीन लिविंग इन दिस हाउस फॉर 10 years, तो 10 साल से. तो जब कोई काम के लिए ड्यूरेशन दे दिया जाता है, व्हेन टाइम पीरियड इज गिवन, देन वी मेक यूज ऑफ, what we make use of, we make use of for. So please don't make mistake. जैसे अच्छा एक सेंटेंस आपको देते हैं, he has been practicing cricket dash, he has been practicing cricket dash 3 hours. क्या फील करेंगे? Yes, we'll be feeling he has been practicing cricket for 3 hours. Yes, you're right. Why will we be feeling for? Because we are mentioning about the duration of time. 3 घंटे से वो ऐसा काम कर रहा है. तो जब समय अंतराल दिया होता है, when a time period is given, then we make use of for. We don't make use of since. ठीक है, सिंस एग्जैक्ट टाइम जब दे दी गई, डेट दे दी गई, दिन दे दिया गया, ईयर दे दिया गया, तब हम सिंस का यूज करेंगे. और जब समय अंतराल दे दिया गया, 2 घंटे से 4 घंटे से 10 सालों से 100 सालों से, समथिंग लाइक दैट, देन वी मेक यूज ऑफ for. Hope this confusion is. So I must say that these are the 5 grammar mistakes which you need to be very, very careful about. And if you are not careful about them, then you will definitely lose marks. Whether it was the use of prepositions, whether it was the use of subject verb agreement, वो आर्टिकल का यूज क्यों ना हो, ठीक है, आपको इनके बारे में केयरफुल रहना है, क्योंकि ये छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स हैं, but they prove very costly, especially in the use of who versus whom. वो भी छोटी सी एरर है लेकिन कॉस्टली पड़ जाती है क्योंकि हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, कीप फॉलोइंग me and keep coming back for learning more English with